The Fourth Amendment to the United States Constitution prohibits unreasonable searches and seizures. A search or seizure conducted without a warrant is presumed to be unreasonable, but that presumption may be overcome in some circumstances. The court explained one of those circumstances in Michigan v. Fisher. On October 31, 2003, police officer Christopher Goolsby and his partner responded to a complaint about a disturbance at a residence in Brownstown, Michigan. When the officers arrived in the area, they were directed to a house and told that a man was, quote, going crazy, unquote. At the house, Officer Goolsby and his partner saw damaged fence posts and a pickup truck with a smashed front end in the driveway. 3 of the house's windows were broken. There were drops of blood on the pickup's hood, on clothes inside the pickup, and on a door to the house. When the officers looked into the house through a window, they saw Jeremy Fisher screaming and throwing things. They also saw that Fisher had a cut on his hand. The officers knocked on the front door and asked Fisher if he needed medical assistance, but Fisher didn't answer. Instead, he swore at the officers and told them to go get a search warrant. At that point, Officer Goolsby tried to push open the door, which had been blocked by a couch. He opened the door partway and stepped inside, but he saw Fisher pointing a long gun at him, and he left. Fisher was later charged with assault with a dangerous weapon and possession of a dangerous weapon during the commission of a felony. Fisher moved to suppress Officer Goolsby's statement that Fisher pointed a gun at him. Fisher argued that Officer Goolsby violated the Fourth Amendment by entering the house without a warrant, and the statement was the product of that Fourth Amendment violation. The trial court granted Fisher's motion. The state appealed, and the Michigan Court of Appeals reversed because the trial court hadn't held a full evidentiary hearing before granting the motion to suppress. On remand, the trial court conducted a hearing and heard testimony from Officer Goolsby. The court again granted Fisher's motion. The state appealed again, and this time the Court of Appeals affirmed. The Michigan Supreme Court denied leave to appeal, and the United States Supreme Court granted cert.